Here's a great deal on a 2011 BMW 328i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, front and rear air conditioning, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.